at the start of a renaissance for the SolidWorks community, one of the most vibrant in the industry. What will be the benefits? What will be the changes that we will see in the coming years?
Well, you said it yourself. It's a renaissance. What happened in the Renaissance? New discoveries, a new class, a new social class, the merchants, you know. People with new ideas, they thought they could circumnavigate the world, and they did. They thought they could reach India and discovered America. They invented the printing press. Leonardo da Vinci invented the helicopter. So those things happened in the Renaissance. No less will happen in the new Renaissance of the 21st century. I can tell you what will happen. We will have free energy. Fusion will become commercial. I know this because we have customers that are designing lightweight, fully secure, fusion-based nuclear reactors. And one glass of water can give energy to a person for a lifetime. It's happening. And I believe this new renaissance will give us solutions to big problems. The pollution, the CO2 in the atmosphere, global warming. This new form of energy will completely eliminate the need of fossil fuel very quickly. So this is a supercharged innovation, just like it was during the Renaissance. You know, before the Renaissance, there was a long period of evolution, stagnation, evolution. Then there was a big supercharged, exponential amount of innovations and changes. The same things are happening right now. This is why we say it's a time of supercharged convergence of science, art, and technology. And I believe we are in the middle of that. Actually, we are the triggers of that. We are fostering this type of change because this change is fundamentally fueled by a new way to use technology, a new way to use science, and the new ways to introduce emotions into these new products. And this is why you need art as well. That's why we say art. It is happening, and our way to make it happen is this new strategy. It is a strategy to the Spirit Works. It is a portfolio. It is not a brand. The brand is still strongly the old good SolidWorks. Is the giant on which the new strategy is sitting on to display
the foundation.
The foundation.
Foundation
Exactly.
for the future. And that's one of the great things of working with Dassault Systèmes. It's not a two-dimensional company or product. And pun intended. So it's not a two-dimensional company. It has great depth, and I've seen it over the years in terms of what they can bring to bear when they decide to develop new technology. Now, as you said, the foundation is going to be SolidWorks, and SolidWorks clients. And I see the clients are, their eyes are lighting up in excitement at all the technologies they're seeing here. Can you tell our SolidWorks clients that did not have the chance to attend Field Experience World that it's not a break with SolidWorks, how this transition will be carried out smoothly?
Yes, absolutely. And yes, it is. I would really like to convey to your customers that are not here that the most important announcement that we made at Field Experience World is that these offers called 3D Experience Works for SolidWorks. Okay, these offers have SolidWorks at the core because SolidWorks sits at the core of the 3D Experience Works revolution, if you want to call it that way. And it is a very evolutionary. That's why we don't like to talk about revolutions. We like to talk about the Renaissance because revolutions are not gentle.
No, they break things.
They break things. There is a lot of collateral damage. A lot of people have to lose from revolutions. Renaissance brings ahead everybody. We believe so because of the wider spread of knowledge, know-how, and advances, and so on. So yes, fundamentally for us, the experience works It is called works because SolidWorks sits at the core of the strategy. And the purest message about us being serious about keeping the beloved SolidWorks at the core of the 3D Experience Work strategy is that we are putting on the market in the summer 3 offers where SolidWorks is a component. SolidWorks plus the platform. SolidWorks plus 3D Creator, 3D sculptures that are respectively include XDesign and XShape, and cloud-based data management. So the old good SolidWorks is empowered by the new characteristics offered by the cloud, where you are always up to date, you are always connected, you install from the platform, you update from the platform, and all your data are updated automatically. So that is truly a gigantic step forward, I would say, and it is done adding SolidWorks at the core of the software.
Can we say that we've reached a point of where power and ease of use is finally a reality?
I would say that we have reached this point many years ago, because the power of 3D, can you imagine, I mean, 20 years ago, the power of 3D in the hands of any designer, that was a huge dream which we made happen. So that was a lot of power. Now after 25 years, we want to bring the power of artificial intelligence, the power of generative design, the power of machine learning, the power of pervasive simulation, non-linear simulation, multi-physics simulation. That is power, and that is now available to all our customers in the 3D Experience Work portfolio. Check it out.
So we're going to see some exciting years, and very soon we're going to be leading with SolidWorks 3D design experience. And like I said, it's an exciting time to be part of the SolidWorks 3D experience.
Indeed. Thank you.
Thank you very much.